Little horses that live in the sea. Hornet, pectoral fin, trunk rings, dorsal fin, tail rings, skin cover plates, anal fin, brood pouch in males, snout, eyes. Paragraph 1. Can a horse be very little and live underwater? It can if it is a seahorse. Seahorses are very small and live in a warm oceans. Their long noses make them look like horses. A long time ago, people thought seahorses were really small horses that could breathe underwater. So they were named seahorses. Now we know that these creatures are really fish. If a seahorse were stretched while lying on its stomach, it would look like a fish. But unlike fish, a seahorse does not have scales. Its thin skin stretches over bony plates. They look like rings around the seahorse. Some kind of seahorses have spines or bumps coming from their bony rings. Paragraph 3. Seahorses live in the meadows of seagrass that grows at the bottom of the ocean. They love to play in the tall grass. They also like to hide by curling their long tails around the sea plants. Seahorses can change colors. They can match the color of whatever plant they are holding on to. This trick makes them very hard to see because they look just like a sea plant. Paragraph 4. Seahorses look for food as they swim among the sea plants. Their eyes can look in two different directions. This allows them to search for food in two places at once. Seahorses eat very small sea creatures. They have no stomach or teeth. They suck food in through their snouts. Seahorses swim slowly. Their dorsal fin pushes them through the water. They use their pectoral fins on either side of the body for steering. These small fins also help them stay upright. If an enemy is near, a seahorse cannot swim fast enough to escape. Instead, it will swim in and out of small places or try to hide to get away. Paragraph 6. The male seahorse cares for the babies. He has a pocket on his belly. The babies live in the pocket until they are old enough to go out into the ocean by themselves. Sometimes a father will take care of hundreds of babies at one time. Paragraph 7. Seahorses are very interesting creatures. We know that they are really now all there is to know. There is still many mysteries about them to discover. Seahorse facts. There are 35 different kinds of seahorses. Seahorses can have many colors, red, orange, gray, shaded, and shades of yellow. Seahorse can have stripes or spots to protect to protect themselves from enemies. Seahorses can quickly change color. Seahorses like to swim in pairs. Seahorses' tails do not curve backward. Seahorses live in waters that are warm, can link their tails together while swimming, have no teeth or stomach. They have to eat often. Do not float away while resting. Seahorses curl their tails around seaweed. Horses are protected by special claws. Chesapeake Bay facts. The bay has both fresh and salted water. The bay is home to many fish and animals. The bay borders the states of Virginia and Maryland. The name Chesapeake comes from the Native Americans from the Bay Area consists of wetlands, areas that link water and land, streams and rivers, forests, shallow waters.